Hello, let's see how to add post using a CSV file. Head on over to Recurring Post and select the library you wish to work with. CSV file can be added in two ways. Click on the drop down and you will see an option Import from a CSV, so you can directly upload your CSV file. Or click on Add Content in Bulk and you will see an option Upload CSV file. You can also download a sample CSV file from here. You can upload your CSV file from here. Let me show you how. So select your CSV file. To add your post, you will need to select three fields: message, post URL, and image URL. Let's take a look at the spreadsheet to understand this better. It is assumed that the first row will be the one containing the titles. And next comes the post. So this will be your first post. So this is your text. This is your link, and there is no image. You can see here, this is your text, this is your link, and there is no image. Please keep in mind, there can be only 3 columns. If there is an additional column, let's say there's a 4th column, then it will be ignored. So if you'll see here, this is the 4th column. So when you select this file, only the first 3 columns data will be considered. These will be ignored. Now go ahead and assign the fields to your select the columns. So message for the message, link for the post URL, and image for the image URL, and click on Generate Preview. As you can see, the posts are created. Now you can change the text. If you want to do the customization for some social accounts, you can go to particular social account media and you can change the text. You can also change the image. And once you are happy with that, click on Add to Library. As you can see, your posts are added to the library from your CSV file. Please note, anything more than 250 posts will not be considered. So your CSV file should have 250 posts. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, do let us know. Thank you.